Hey MCP, it's Harlan. You know they say misery loves company, and so I thought I might share my misery with you. Hey, I'm at Pleasant Run North Drive property that we're just deep in the rehab of. And I'm doing one of my least favorite projects. I'm working on windows this morning, weatherproofing windows. I'm one who really enjoys salvaging. I actually try not to get rid of old building materials if it's not absolutely necessary. So there have been a few projects that we've actually salvaged the windows, and it just occurred to me this morning that, you know, with us being in the middle of the summer, this is a great time for taking on house projects like that. So if you're thinking about energy efficiency, both for the summer, but also especially for holding that heat in the winter and keeping that cold out, now would be a great time to start weatherproofing your windows. So let me give you the first tip of some of the work that I've got going on today, and then I'll post another follow-up video for you later because I'm really in the beginning process. So the first thing I do is I take out the window. So you can see here, I got the window that I've removed, and then the process that I do is I actually scrape old paint off the window, which I haven't even started on this one yet. And then I take out what's called the old glaze, which is it's kind of like a caulking material that's in the parameter of the glass that actually holds the glass in. There are little pins you might be able to see here, little metal pins that are also pushed into the wood that hold the glass in, so you got to be careful when you take out the old broken up and dried glaze not to take out those pins. But if you do, no worry, you can get them from the hardware store and put them back in. And then, like here on this particular one, you might be able to see here, we've got some really loose stuff there. And so I'll work on chipping that away a little bit later, but you can see how old and how cracked up that is. So after I get all of that old stuff out of there, the next thing I do is I actually will prime the window. And so I prime the window with Kills, oil-based Kills. And the reason I do that is because it's a very good sealer. In addition to that, it will lock in the stains, so old stains won't come through when I paint. And then you see there, I paint with a product that I get at Lowe's. It's called Storm Code. It's a Valspar product. And I use Storm Code because it's weatherproof for these windows and doors and trims and stuff like that. So it's a really great product for that. Once I'm done, they'll be really bright, clean white windows. After I get them primed and then after I get them painted, the next thing I do is I actually do come back and put the glaze in. And it's a really arduous process that's no fun for anybody, but I'll make another video a little bit later and post it. But I did want to share with you this tip for those of you who are thinking about making your homes more energy efficient. And then I was hoping that maybe I can get some comments and questions. If anybody has any ideas of projects that maybe they're working on, they'd love to share. I hope you would share them here with your neighbors. Bottom line, we're all here for each other, so I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to any comments or questions you may have about window winterization. Let's call it that. Okay, have a good day.